Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our thermal imager. So basically it's similar to a camera, but it builds the image and shows it via heat. So basically different objects that are different temperature will show different colour. So basically it's a visual display of the heat of everything which you're seeing. So this has got a built-in battery, so it comes with a USB-C charge cable to charge it. You can take screenshots as well as photos on this as well. So it comes with an SD card, so you can save the photos to SD card, put them onto a computer or whatever. Comes with a manual, nice neat little carry case, and the box it comes in. Just show you around it. So basically, spirits are commonly known for creating hot spots or cold spots. So although you might not be able to see the spirit, this can, because the spirit is usually colder or warmer than the room temperature. So if you see a humanoid shape with this, because it's picking up the heat, that's something that you can't see with any other camera but other than the thermal. So it is a good tool to have for paranormal investigators. So we'll show you very briefly. So just press and hold the green button for the power. At the moment I'm facing at the floor, and the floor is only varying about 5 degrees, probably because on the bottom left is my close to where my foot is. So if we point it to something that's got a bigger difference in temperature, so you're looking at the corner of my computer there, so you see around here it says 32, 31 degrees, and all the area in purple is around 20 degrees. So the difference in temperature between the computer and the floor is about 30 degrees. So you can see that's different. So basically if I was to put my hand in front of it, that's what you'd see. So my hand's showing at about 35, 36 degrees. So yeah, incredibly good device for ghost hunters. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.